So I'm going to be going over how to make custom alarm tones on the iPhone 13. Now, hearing that alarm go off in the morning is easily one of the worst feelings in the world, but maybe if you change your alarm to a song you like or something custom, it can make waking up a little less terrible. So if you wanted to straight up change your alarm tone to a song, you could actually just click on the clock app and choose an alarm you have set. Now, if you don't have one set, just create it, but after that, you just want to click on the sound option. Now, from in here, you can actually go ahead and choose a song you have on your iPhone or edit it to something else available. Now, this is one way to do it, but it's not exactly creating a custom tone. Now, if you wanted to take things a little bit further, you are going to need an app to do this, which is going to be the GarageBand app. Now, this app currently has tons of positive reviews. It's actually very useful, especially if you've never tried it out before. I think it's actually got, 67,000, positive reviews, which is pretty crazy. Okay, anyways, download it. Shouldn't take too long. And once you have it downloaded, just open it up. Now, you got to choose allow access in order for it to, be able to pull up everything on your iPhone. Then you want to click get started. Now, what you want to look for is the audio recorder option. So you have to scroll over till you find it. All right, here it is. Okay, then when you click on it, there's going to be a little squiggly in the top left-hand corner. Click on that. And then after that, you want to click on the loop option on the right. Okay, when you click on loop, this is going to pull up all the music and files you have on your iPhone. You just want to click on music, find a song you want, hold down on it, and then it's going to drag it, into your audio recorder. Okay, now we're making some progress. So from in here, you can actually cut your song, shorten it, or just customize it to your liking. And this is where we're getting all that customization in. All right, I'm going to paste it back in here. Okay, once you've done that, you just want to click on the top left-hand corner with the arrow down option, and we're almost there. So now you want to click down on your file you've created, and you want to click share. Next, you're going to have some options. You want to do the ringtone option. Now, you might be doing this as a ringtone, but it's going to be a custom, alarm tone for you. I'm just going to leave it titled as My Song 8. Now, they shouldn't take too long. Okay, now we're going to go back into the clock app to make sure that this is saved. All right, we got sound. All right, boom, there it is, guys. Okay, so this is just a cool way to, create some custom alarms on your iPhone 13. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Tap that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see y'all in the next video.